So here is how you can search for photos on Google. Let me fully guide you through it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, I'm going to use a web browser. In our case, it's going to be Safari. So I'm going to click on open a new tab. And in there, I'm going to go to Google, right? So as I'm on this page, if I want to look for the pictures and images only, I have to switch from the all search mode to the image only, right? So at the top, you can see I don't search for all categories, but images only like this. It's going to give me the text field and I can type in whatever I want, right? So I'm going to type in like a city or whatever, and it's going to show me the images of that place, of that thing which I'm looking for. However, if you're trying to perform a reverse image search, meaning that you have a picture in your phone and you want to look with that picture, then you can click on this icon right there, which is the Google Lens. If I tap on it, it actually moves me over into this app, so I'm no longer inside of Google Safari, but inside the Google app. And in there, I can go to my gallery and look up based on the image. So if I just upload a picture of my camera, you can select the area you want to look for, and it's telling me that yes, this is a camera Lumix one. It's pretty accurate, and it's telling me exactly what it is. I can also look it up by exact matches or visual search, so I can look it up on the internet, and this is called the reverse image search. So that's what you can perform as well. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later.